Welcome to another video in our series about living with an indwelling catheter. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 advantages of having a suprapubic catheter. Now there are 2 ways which an indwelling catheter can enter the body. One is via the urethra, the normal way that urine exits the body. The other way is for a little hole to be made below the belly button and for the catheter to go straight into the bladder through the skin. If you've been offered a suprapubic catheter by your healthcare professional, you may be wondering, is it the right option for me? And to help you think through that process, we've put together this video which shares with you 6 advantages of living with a suprapubic catheter. The first reason is this: a suprapubic catheter protects your skin better. A urethral catheter can actually cause damage to your urethra and irritate the bladder neck where the balloon sits within the bladder. But a suprapubic catheter, because of where it's located, doesn't rub on the urethra or the bladder neck, so it can protect the skin and cause less irritation. The second advantage of a suprapubic catheter is that they're actually easier to clean. Because of where it's located on the body, it's easier to clean and to keep hygienic compared to a urethral catheter. And better hygiene can mean less risk of infection. The third reason to consider a suprapubic catheter is that they're easier to change. If you do your own catheter changes, you'll find that changing a urethral catheter is a lot more difficult than changing a suprapubic catheter. Number 4, less catching. Many catheter users have reported that a urethral catheter can catch on their clothing more easily than having a suprapubic catheter. Number 5, less blockages. If you use a suprapubic catheter, you're able to use a catheter which has a wider drainage tube or drainage lumen than a urethral catheter. That wider drainage lumen enables urine to flow more easily and reduces the risk of the catheter from blocking. So if you're prone to blocking in a urethral catheter, it may be worth considering a suprapubic catheter. Number 6, and perhaps most importantly, many patients report that having a suprapubic catheter provides a greater degree of comfort than having a urethral catheter. So, there's 6 advantages of having a suprapubic catheter. In our next video, we're going to look at advantages of having a urethral catheter, and that way you can compare and decide what's going to work best for you. As always, speak to your healthcare professional for advice that is relevant to you particularly. Please like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from LINC-Medical about living with an indwelling catheter. Thanks for watching.